Ever felt your car jerking or acting strange while driving down a bumpy back road, only to find out the computer is confused about the terrain? That is essentially what is happening when you encounter the trouble code P0317. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it pops up on OBD2 equipped vehicles like Ford, Audi, VW, and GM. The technical definition is rough road hardware not present, which sounds a bit like your car is missing a physical part, but it is actually more about the data the computer is receiving or not receiving. Here's the deal. When you're driving over potholes or off-road, the engine crankshaft speed can fluctuate wildly. To the engine computer, or the powertrain control module, these fluctuations look suspiciously like engine misfires. To prevent false alarms, many modern cars use a rough road sensor, an accelerometer, or data from the ABS wheel sensors to tell the computer, hey, relax, we're just on a bad road, the engine is fine. If you get this code, the system that distinguishes between a bumpy ride and a dying engine has failed. The computer is flying blind regarding road condition. Interestingly, this specific code usually does not trigger the check engine light immediately, but you might see traction control or ABS warning lights pop up on your dashboard. Diagnosing this requires a bit of detective work because it is often an electrical ghost. Before you start ripping out sensors, the absolute first thing you should do is check for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model. This is a known quirk on many vehicles, and the manufacturer might have a software update that fixes it without you needing to turn a wrench. If there are no bulletins, you need to identify what system your car uses. Does it have a dedicated G-force sensor, or does it use the ABS system? A vehicle-specific repair guide is crucial here. If you have a dedicated accelerometer, inspect it physically. Is the connector corroded? Is the wiring chewed up? If everything looks good physically, you'll need a digital volt-ohm meter to check for continuity and resistance against the manufacturer spec. A pro tip here is to fix any other codes first. If you have wheel speed sensor codes or misfire codes, tackle those first before worrying about P0317, as they often trigger this code as a side effect. If you have access to an advanced scan tool, you can even drive over a rough patch and watch the sensor data in real time to see if it reacts. It's a tricky code, but with patience, you can track it down.